Hello, and welcome to another installment of Questions and Answers with Digital Development Consulting. In a world where you can tweet John Mayer and he may actually tweet back, how do us normal people carve out a little spot on Twitter for ourselves, our businesses, and our interests? Aside from setting up a profile, following everyone we know, and drafting entertaining tweets, how do you really make your Twitter presence known? The first step is setting up your Twitter profile the right way. Pick a professional background that has a bit of personality. Choose a photo that looks like you, preferably one in a modest setting. Make your username clear and easy to recognize. Write your portfolio to convey the most important aspects of why you're on Twitter, throwing in just a bit of wit. Say what you want to say and then say it again. Send out 2 tweets for every idea. The first tweet should just be the warm-up. The second tweet will hash out what it is that you really want to share. Seek out people whose attention you want to catch. Then find something of theirs online and tweet about it. This is called an indirect mention, and it's a good way to get noticed without begging for it. Plus, most people are grateful for any attention their work gets, even if they're already popular. Ask for help. People love to answer questions and know that they've helped someone out. Also, it's hard to ignore a question that you know the answer to. On the same note, answer questions as well. Connect with people who are connected with people you want to reach. Yes, you heard that right. If you tweet and one of your followers is followed by the person you actually want to reach, you may be able to make contact if your content is retweeted. Possibly one of the most important steps is consistency. You can't be active on Twitter daily for 3 months and then disappear for 2 weeks. You don't have to keep up with Twitter every single day, but you should maintain some sort of consistency. I hope this video was helpful in explaining many of the goals and indeed tactics of Twitter optimization, and encourage you to visit our site at www.digitaldevelopmentconsulting.com for more information. See you soon.